Very comforting talaga ang mainit na lugaw. Mapaaraw o tag-ulan, hindi mawawala sa request ng family ko to. Hi guys! I-share ko sa inyo itong Budol find ko that spice up my kitchen and let me cook yummy dishes for my family, ang Ron's Herbs and Spices. I have all the ingredients that I need for my lugaw, kaya tara, luto tayo. Ang gamit ko dito is yung buto-buto ng chicken na may konting laman. Marinate with patis, black pepper, and cornstarch for 30 minutes. After that, i-fry na natin in a medium-high heat yung chicken. Once cooked, add the grated ginger and garlic. Pet peeve ng family ko yung nakakagat nila yung buong ginger and garlic, kaya ginagrate ko na lang. Then, ihalo na natin yung washed malagkit. I usually combine white rice and malagkit, kaso naubusan ako ng stock ng white rice. Then, ihalo na natin yung water. I put about 5 cups of water, but you can add more if you find the lugaw too thick. Add 1 chicken cube, pandagdag ng lasa. Then, I also got my kasubha from Ron's Herbs and Spices. Once done, cover and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Add more water if the lugaw becomes too thick. Once luto na yung rice natin, let's season the lugaw with black pepper and patis. Alam nyo, I prefer buying spices online. Mas convenient and mas kumpleto. Imagine I can buy all the spices I need in one click. Halos lahat ng kailangan ko for my recipes available sa Ron's Herbs and Spices. For the toppings, I like spring onions, lots of fried garlic, calamansi, a drizzle of patis, and syempre, hindi mawawala ang boiled egg. Sobrang hit to sa family ko kasi easy on the tummy, healthy, and yummy. Tag me kung na-follow mo yung recipe na to.